You have Govi, right? Govi is a product that's a cheap, you can buy at Costco for $200. And you are going to get a lot of calls saying, you come put up this cheap crap. And that's exactly what it is. It doesn't last long. It's not going to be the best. And some people might argue with me, but I've seen it. It falls down. You see the wires, it looks ugly. And so that's why we don't put that stuff up. And so with this, you get the track. Are we going to be a lot more? Yes. But it's back to, how do we find the right customers for us? And so Dustin had been putting up Christmas lights, and he was losing about 10 to 15% of his customers to putting up permanent lights. And that's when he decided to go ahead and start putting up permanent lights, so that he quit losing those. If he's going to lose that customer, you might as well lose it to someone that is going to pay you for the permanent lights. So that's how permanent lights started. In Utah, you can drive down subdivisions and you see all kinds of people doing permanent lights. Around the country, it's a little bit different. It's not as going crazy as Utah, but it is coming. And so that's what we got when we're dealing with permanent lights. So how do we sell? That's the wrong button I wanted to push. I want to push this button up here. If I can come over here and get back on my screen. There we go. So why do people choose year-round lighting? One, it's Christmas lights, right? We can sell it for the holidays, we can sell it for Christmas lights, but on the same hand, that's not the number one need what we sell Christmas lights under, right? We know that people don't need Christmas lights, but it's a want. And again, as I talk about Christmas lights, we're going to sell on feelings, we're going to sell on needs and wants. And so one of the things with permanent lights is we can do security lighting. We can turn one on here, there, and this is something that we can really push hard. It's not just Christmas lights. We can do accent lighting or security lighting, right? We know that our number one customer typically is a female, and a female is something that she wants security. And so this is a thing that we can do to be able to get our security part of this here. Now, there is two different systems today that we'll talk about, a 24 volt and a 36 volt. The 24 volt box is good, but the 36 means that we can do a little bit more than what we can do with the 24 volt box. So we have both boxes here today. I'll be able to show you the difference in them. They're basically the same, except one we can put up 100 feet, and two, on the other one we can put up 200 feet without power injection. A lot of your other systems will be maybe cheaper, but you're having to power inject every 50, 75 feet, where now we can go 200 feet without power injection.